Before you begin, you can find a calm and quiet space where you won't be disturbed for the time being. Once you've done that, you can gently settle into a position in which you will feel comfortable and relaxed. You can either sit or lie down, whichever you prefer. Once you've settled into the perfect position, making sure you're keeping a straight posture, you can give yourself a moment to do a light stretch, helping your muscles loosen up. And when you feel ready, you can gently close your eyes. Now, take a deep breath in and release. Once more, take a slow, deep breath in and release the air with a long, deep exhale. Make sure you're breathing in a way that feels natural and comfortable, gradually deepening the inhale and exhale as you go on. If you notice that your body is holding on to any tension or stress right now, just take your breath to the area that is tense. Feel how you're softening the tension with the inhale, how you're releasing it through the exhale. If you notice the presence of any distracting thoughts, know that it's okay. Just acknowledge these thoughts and gently release them, shifting your attention back to your breath. Now, I'd like you to take some time to ponder the things that are essential in the process of building confidence. First, I'd like you to take a moment to analyze what kinds of thoughts and feelings may be preventing you from feeling truly confident right now. Sometimes we are prone to expect too much of ourselves. We may feel weighed down by the pressure to be perfect or infallible, or we may even feel paralyzed by dwelling on our mistakes and shortcomings. When faced with thoughts and feelings like these, it is important to remain open, patient, even self-compassionate, so you can challenge these thoughts, so you can transcend them and stop allowing them to dictate how you feel. Breathe, knowing that you needn't be perfect, knowing that your mistakes needn't define who you are. Breathe, releasing the need to judge yourself or your actions, releasing all of those doubtful, hindering thoughts, leaving space for thoughts and feelings that support your development. Confidence is tied to the way we perceive our abilities, our strengths, and our achievements. Take a moment to ask yourself, what do I believe about my abilities? Do I adequately celebrate my achievements the way I judge my shortcomings? Think about all of your positive qualities, your achievements, your unique combination of strengths and talents. Now, give yourself a moment to appreciate these qualities, these achievements, knowing that they hold the capacity to be a great source of confidence as they reveal to you everything you are truly capable of, everything you have to offer. Now, as we reach the end of this session, I'd like you to come back to your breath once more. Take a few more deep breaths, coming back to your body, coming back to the space you're in. And when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes.